Hey guys, it's Scott here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best YouTube channels that teach how to make money online. Let's get to it. Okay, these YouTube channels are ones that are my personal favorites. I have done 10 of them. Let's start with number one. This is not in any specific order. Number one is Deadbeat Super Affiliate with Dan Brock. He has really inspired me to do affiliate marketing. Here is his channel. As you can see, lots and lots of videos. His thumbnails are incredible. He has a YouTube course that I have been a part of, and I've been able to learn a lot of things from Dan Brock. So that's one to definitely check out. Number two is Joshua Elder. So this guy is somebody that I'm also following that has taught me a lot about high ticket sales. And I've got a link below where you can sign up to learn from Joshua how to make 0 to 10K in a month or 0 to 6 figures online. But here is his channel. Super awesome. He's very real. His videos are raw. He doesn't even edit his videos. So someone you can learn how to make money online right there. Number three is Build-A-Preneur by Spencer Meachem. Okay guys, this is someone that has really inspired me as well to start affiliate marketing. He is the #1 affiliate marketer for ClickFunnels. He's made over $1 million from that program alone. He is obviously somebody you need to learn from with doing affiliate marketing. So here is his channel. Lots of good information. He specifically kind of niches down into software, doing reviews about software. He makes money using his YouTube channel, but also teaches and provides incredible amounts of value. So someone you definitely want to follow. Number four is Freedom Influencer with Nathan Lucas. The reason why I bring up Nathan Lucas is because he is the #1 affiliate for Legendary Marketer. By the way, I have a link also to sign up with Legendary Marketer. By the way, you'll also have all of the links to every one of these channels down below. But Nathan Lucas, he pretty much uploads a video every single day. I don't even know if he's ever missed a day in the last year or two. So he's somebody that teaches lots of things, money, mindset, overall just how to make that money online. He's a great affiliate marketer. Number five is John Crestani. Okay, this guy is a ClickBank guru. So he has his own product on ClickBank, and if you look up how to make money online or affiliate marketing or marketing, that type of niche, he comes up. I think his product is #1 or #2. He does low and high ticket sales, teaches all about affiliate marketing, teaches all about different ways to make money online. Number six is Marissa Romero. She's very authentic, very clean and crisp videos. Speaks very clearly, teaches all sorts of things of how to make money from home. She has done affiliate marketing and other things. Someone that is up and coming, someone you want to watch. Number seven is Peter Prue with E-Commerce Empire Builders. This guy knows YouTube, and he also knows drop shipping subscription. Very niche, I know, but Peter has really mastered using the power of YouTube to teach other people about making money online. So you can learn from Peter by just watching his channel. But the best part is that he really knows how to use ClickFunnels to teach people how to do a subscription business, selling a physical product, drop shipping. Lots of people have made lots of money from his program. He also has a program. So if you want to learn how to do drop shipping the right way with subscriptions, Peter is your guy. It's definitely inspired me a lot. Number eight is Kevin David. Okay, this guy has the most amount of subscribers out of any one of these channels. As you see here, he has 750 subscribers. Kevin is just a beast with all sorts of things. He is very well known in the ClickFunnels world. He's very known in the FBA, Amazon FBA business. So all things making money online, he is somebody you definitely want to pay attention to. To be honest, I don't follow much of his channel, but I know that he crushes it. So definitely want to add that to to this list. Number 9 is ODI Productions. I really like learning from him because he kind of brings in his lifestyle a little bit. He likes cars a lot, so he shows his cars, he shows his dogs, he shows his house. There's a little bit of lifestyle, but he teaches how to do affiliate marketing with anything. Like, okay, how to become an affiliate marketer on Amazon, and how to do high ticket sales. And I don't know, overall I just really like his style. He's great. He was going to school at UCLA and actually dropped out to pursue this business, and sounds like he's doing really well for himself. Number 10 is Franklin Hatchett. He is also somebody that is very well known in the ClickFunnels world. He does affiliate marketing as well as drop shipping and everything else in between. So someone else you definitely want to check out. He has over 200,000 subscribers. Here's his channel. Really cool, easygoing guy. So guys, that is the list right there of YouTubers that have really inspired me, people that have helped me with my journey with doing affiliate marketing and specifically on YouTube. Also, guys, I have another video up here where you can click on where you can learn from upcoming new YouTube channels that are teaching how to make money online. I have a little group with these guys and they are incredible. They inspire me. They're busting out videos left and right. So check out that video. Overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one and also how to make money online, I have my own channel where I teach this same stuff. So please subscribe if you'd like to learn and tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified. You guys have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next video.